Hello folks, Russ Scala here. I'm really excited about this new program we developed for the addiction market. Presently I'm with Professional Therapeutic Centers, and we are the first group to roll out a personalized, gender-specific addiction program along with the aftercare program that's going to look at multiple metabolic functions of the body and not just treat the brain chemistry with SSRIs and anxiety medication. Let me walk you through some of the basics on what we do that is not done at any other addiction center. One of the things that we do is we look at the gut-brain connection. We know that the intestinal tract is the second brain, and if the intestinal tract is out of balance, it will impact the brain chemistry. So we know if you've been on opiates for a while, if you've been on Suboxone or Methadone, we have to rebalance your brain chemistry and treat the intestinal tract at the same time. This is one of the examples, folks, that nobody's doing right now that's really going to put us on the tip of the spear. We've got a multi-million-dollar pharmacy and research lab that does our advanced testing, so let's drill down a little more. We do a urine sample that measures brain chemistry, serotonin, dopamine. These are our feel-good chemicals that get compromised when somebody is addicted to a drug. A lot of people don't understand that every day the human body needs 21 minerals, 13 vitamins, 8 amino acids, 2 essential fats, and a little sunlight to create energy. If you've been on an addiction protocol for a year, your body is mining nutrients from your own tissue. And that's where the deficiencies, the nutritional and hormonal deficiencies start to fall, and this is what compromises the brain chemistry over time. So we tell all our addicts and all our people that are on this program that you are not what you eat, you are what you absorb. So we rather have people clean up their intestinal tract and pull nutrients out of real food than taking synthetic supplements. We also know that SSRIs, SNRIs, those medications can become addictive over time. Folks, this is just a brief overview of our gender-specific multifactorial program that's going to move the addiction market to the next level. You can take a deeper dive on the Russ Scala YouTube channel. We have over 100 videos up there. You can see Scala Precision Health in my book, American Biohacker. Thank you very much for listening.